Boom. Okay, boom, mind blowing. Hey my Sky Savers, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. I'm Kim and this is World of Skye, a world for women and moms looking to save money and get the most bang for your buck. And today we are talking all about personal finance rules or money rules to live by. So I've asked around and asked people, what are some money rules that you live by, that you've been living by, that you swear by? And I got some good responses, and so I want to share those with you guys today. Some that I definitely want to adopt, and I think that they could help you too, obviously, so that is why I am sharing those with you guys today. Before we jump into the rules, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Trust me, girl, your purse, your wallet, and your bank account will thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and get right into it. Number one was spend more than you make. I mean, spend less than you make. Spend less than you make. Living below your means is going to be the best way for you to avoid debt. So that doesn't mean that you have to cut out everything that makes you happy. The person just says that maybe you can't have everything that makes you happy all at once. I thought it was good advice. Let me know what you think. Number two is definitely something that I do and I preach all the time, is make a budget and stick to it. And let me let you in on a little secret. Come on in. You can include fun in your budget. Okay? You don't have to exclude all the fun or the things that you enjoy. Just create them as a category in your budget. And whatever dollar amount you assign to that, stick to it. Your budget just allows you to simply track how much money you have coming in and the money that is going out. Where is it going? If you don't know this information, how can you actually meet your financial goals? The third rule is to limit debt. So this goes alongside with spending less than what you make. If you are actually spending more than what you make, you are acquiring debt. As you are starting out your adult life, you're probably going to need to acquire some debt in order to get started, whether you need to take out a car loan, a mortgage, you need credit cards. Being an adult is hard. Starting your life as an adult is a very, very tough transition for a lot of people, but you can expect to have some debt. Let's just say that, and that's okay. But acquire the debt for things that you actually need, okay? Notice I said need, not want. We're not shopping to create debt. These are things that you need, necessities to live, to eat, things of that nature. If there are things that you want, because there's gonna be things that you want outside of those necessities, put together a savings plan in order to save monthly, weekly, whatever it is for you, so that you can reach the savings goal and then buy the things that you want along the way too. Comment down below and let me know if you've heard of any of this money advice before. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. The fourth thing is that your ability to earn is your greatest asset. If you can make money, you gonna be all right, okay? That's pretty much what that means to me anyway. That's how I interpret that. Whether you're working a full-time job, you have a side hustle, you're investing, your ability to earn money is powerful. And people always say money doesn't buy happiness and all that, and I get it. Well, I mean, I don't know if I agree with that 100%, but you need money, okay? The bottom line is money makes the world go round. You need money, and so having the ability to earn that money is priceless. Number 5 is to have short-term and long-term financial goals. I can't stress this one enough. Set goals, girls. Set goals for yourself. Set goals for yourself and your money. So have your finance goals. So how much you want to save, how much debt you want to pay off, how much you want to invest. Have those goals. Have some in the short term and have some in the long term. So an example of a short-term goal is to have a monthly budget or a weekly or daily budget, so you know how much you're spending daily or saving daily, whatever your goal is. Long-term goals, goals for the next 5 to 10 years. So put together a financial plan for any large purchases you want to make. Homes, cars, any life changes, having children, retiring early. Do you want to pay down all your debt? Whatever your goals are, write them out, assign a timeline to them, and then make a realistic, actionable plan in order to help you get there. Number 6 is invest early and invest often. Young folks, young people, young men, young women, this one is for you. The power of investing young has a potential to change everything financially for you. So you want to get in the habit of investing on a normal basis and build that good habit. Time, youth is on your side. It's the best asset that you have when it comes to investing. Number 7 is to know your triggers and understand your spending. So that means, are there certain things that cause you to overspend? Or are there certain things that cause you to underspend and deprive yourself of things that you actually need? You want to identify those triggers and find habits to replace them and redirect your spending. Number 8, compounding interest is the most powerful force in the universe. Boom. Okay? Boom. Mind blowing. I'll say that again.
Compounding interest is the most powerful force in the universe.
Just do your research and you'll see what they're talking about. Okay, so like I said, I thought that those were 8 pieces of great financial advice, money advice, whatever you want to call it, that people live by. Hopefully 1, 2, 5 of those resonated with you, and those are things that you'll start to think about and hopefully implement those into your life to help you with your financial goals. That is all I have for now. Before you go, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit the little notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads from me. I do upload new videos every single week, and they're pertaining to saving you money in some fashion. That is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Happy saving!